Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn about logical operators, membership operators, and identity operators used in Python programming language. So let's start. Logical operators perform logical operations on the given values or on the given variables. In Python, there are three logical operators, that is AND, OR, and NOT. So let's discuss these logical operators in detail one by one. Let's take a variable a is equals to 5, b is equals to 3, and if I write print a greater than 2 and b greater than 1. If I execute this code, it will return true only when both the given conditions are true. So this is the explanation of AND operator. It returns true, this logical operator AND returns true only when both the given conditions are true. It means if a greater than 2, yes, because 5 is stored in variable a, so a, the value of a is greater than 2, true, first condition is true. B greater than 1, the value that is stored inside b is 3, yes, again the value of b is greater than 1. So in this case it will return true because both the conditions are fulfilled, both the conditions are true. So if I execute this code, we get true. But if I change this value, let's say for example if I write here b greater than 3, so print a greater than 2 and b greater than 3. So if I execute this code now, we get false here. Why? Because first condition is fulfilled, a greater than 2 is true, but b is not greater than 3 because 3 is not greater than 3. So AND operator or this AND logical operator returns true only when both the given conditions are fulfilled or when both the given conditions are true. Next logical operator is NOT. This operator is used to reverse the given condition. For example, if I write here not a greater than 2. So what does it mean? A greater than 2. If this condition is true, so NOT operator, this operator will, next logical operator is NOT. This operator is used to reverse the condition. For example, if I write here not a greater than 2. So a greater than 2. If this condition is true, NOT operator reverse the condition and it will become false. If this condition is false, then NOT operator reverse the condition and it will return true. Let's check practically. Print not a greater than 2. Now see, the value of a is 5, a greater than 2 is true. The value of a is greater than 2, but not reverse this condition. Now we get false. If we execute this code, we get false here. But if I write here 1, that means not a greater than 2. Now just check this condition, a greater than 2. The value of a is 1. So a is not greater than 2, that means it will return false. But not will reverse the condition. This a greater than 2 return false, but not false become true. So let's execute this code. So we get true. Next is membership operators. Now Python offers two membership operators for checking whether a particular character exists in the given string or not. So the operators are in and not in. First one, in operator, it returns true if a character or substring exists in the given string. And the second one, not in, it returns true if a character or substring does not exist in the given string. Let's understand both the operators practically. Let's take one variable str1 is equals to hello world. See, variable 1, take another variable string 2 is equals to, for example, we have taken h here. Now if I write str2 or string 2 in string 1, so if this substring or character exists in str1, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's execute this code. So we get true. Why? str2 exists in str1. H is present in this string. Similarly, if I write here hello, hello. Now again execute this code. We get true again. Why? Because again str2 is present in str1. But if I change this string, if I write Python, execute, so Python is not a part of this string, or this is not present in this string. str2 does not exist in str1, so it will return false. Similarly, not in, here if I write not in, and if I execute this code, it will return true. Why? str2 does not exist in str1, so it will return true. So not in returns true when the string is not part of the other string that we are checking, and in returns true if the string exists in another string. Next is identity operators. Now identity operators are used to compare the objects if both the operands or variables are actually the same object and share the same memory location or not. So these operators are is and is not. Is operator returns true if both variables are pointing to the same object, and is not operator returns true if both the variables are not pointing at the same object. Let's understand this practically. Let's take one variable, a is equals to 100, and if I take b is equals to 100, and then if I print a is b, and if I execute this code, we get true. Why? Because a is b. The variable a is pointing at the memory location where 100 is stored, and b is also pointing at the same memory location where 100 is stored. So a and b is pointing at the same memory location or at the same object. Similarly, if I write here not or is not, if I write, so if I execute this code, so it will return false. Why? Because a and b is pointing at the same object or at the same memory location, but is not is reversing the condition, so it will return false. And if I change this value, let's take 200 here. Now if I execute this code, now it will return true. So a is not b, this is true. A is not b is true. Why? Because both the variables are not pointing at the same object. A is pointing at different object and b is pointing at different object. So is not b. A is not b. That's why it returns true.